We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. trying to push itself back up after trying to find support at around 33 cents today. And within today's volatility, it was not the only stock trying to push up higher. The overall market and SPY did as well. And our SPY bot since 7:05 a.m. sent out a bull indicator. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength on 42 vision into the bell, and after the bell, inflows crossed back up again, and call options went up 500% plus within an hour, guys. And as you see, they're popping up within the screen, within the options chain. Some options even went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with MULLEN stock fighting to hold itself up. The bulls are putting up a fight. So far, it's done a full transition from bright green to red bars, and here it is trying to go back up within today's volatility back towards 40 cents. We're going to break down some key levels here within the charts and the inflow versus outflow. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our QQQ bot. Our QQQ bot sent out a bull indicator since 7:10 a.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength on 42 vision into the bell and after the bell. And after the bell, those inflows stayed above the midpoint once again, full strength there. And call options went up 500% plus within hours, guys. And as you see, they're popping up within the screen, even within the options change. Some options went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, getting connected to our 42 vision indicators and bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive, trying to bounce back up here, and the bulls are putting up a fight to find support. And within today's volatility, the full transition from yesterday to today on 42 vision has been from bright green bars to red bars so far. And the last piece missing is white with red borders. Now, if it's your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc., doing a full transition here, like I stated earlier in the video, from bright green to red bars, and now under a bear indicator since up here at 42 cents. Those outflows crossed here on Friday, and now the inflows tried crossing back up. And here we are in a tight consolidation here, but outflows are dominating again, guys, within this tight consolidation between 36 cents and 38 cent area. This is crucial based off the 30-minute chart. One of the key things I would watch here is if these inflows can pick back up with full strength here and start reflecting that strength into the chart to start retesting resistance levels to the upside and canceling out this bear indicator as the chart is near very crucial levels here, especially based off the history of the chart, that resistance of 40 cents, which it managed to get above on Friday and hit highs here of 47 cents. Now, we're slightly below 40 cents, and it rejected today, again, in that same area where it tried to find support before falling lower here into today's opening bell and after hours on Friday. This is critical where we sit in the volatility. Now, the bulls are putting up a fight, even though it's under a bear indicator. And if we zoom into the volatility here on the 15-minute, we could see that a bull indicator has popped up to cancel that bear indicator from 43 cents. But again, outflows again are dominating, and this is crucial because we now have a bull indicator, and for this bull indicator to continue with its strength and retest resistance levels, these inflows need to pick up here on the 15-minute, and I would watch that very carefully here going into tomorrow, and it will be critical, guys. Now, when we go back to the 30-minute here, apart from the 15-minute, if this strength could continue, I would watch here if these inflows, since they're really close to the midpoint, can try to come back up. A retest of the highs here of the day, or even 40 cents, will be a starting point for the bulls to try to find support and bounce off of, eventually cancel out this bear indicator and get a bull indicator in the process. Now, when we zoom out though and we look at this from the 1 hour, we could see here that on the 1 hour chart, the outflows are dominating, and now we're below the midpoint again. But there's a bear indicator here at around 40 cents, and slightly that's the area that it rejected. It didn't reach 40 cents, but it reached 39.83, nearly almost 40 cents at the highs of the day. And that's a critical level right now for the bulls on multiple time frames. So I would be watching here on the 1 hour if these inflows can get back towards the midpoint. Even if they don't cross it, get closer to it. And if it could cross it in the process, cancel this bear indicator as well and get another bull indicator within the volatility. Now, when you zoom out though, this is the first bear indicator that we see after the bull indicator that popped up here back on December 28th, and that full transition from the dip area of white with red borders all the way to these bright green bars and full strength since the 20-cent area, where momentum started to pick up going into the end of the year last year and the beginning of this year, up to the point of December into January 5th and 6th, reaching the peak up here of 40 cents plus. Now, we talked about how important it was for it to hold itself up here, because based off the history of the chart, we have seen rejections here before, and these outflows are dominating right now. So this is critical where we're at. Could it actually be the setup before the next bull run, as I like to call it? Well, let's talk about some key levels here to watch going into tomorrow. So on the 30-minute, the first support is 33 cents, the low of the day. Below that is 30 cents. Those are the key levels I would watch to the downside, and how these outflows react if they pull away from the midpoint. And to the upside, the high of the day was 39 cents. I would just round that up to 40 and see if the bulls can continue that staircase effect as I showed earlier, and instead of going downwards, pull itself back up, cancel that bear indicator, get a bull indicator in the process, and the next resistance above that I would watch is 45 cents, and then how it reacts between 45 and 50 cent area as it hit highs here of 47 to almost 48 cents. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, how you feel about this one. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.